Merry Christmas, how you been?
So, being a Christian, I try my very best to understand the principles. That even when it gets rougher and tougher, there is always joy. So look for joy in those moments. And I believe that when you go out into the fields too, and you can see there are people still smiling, still laughing, and they're still hopeful that there'll be a better tomorrow, that gives me some form of strength to continue pushing through all of these adversities that I would have experienced since Melissa. And I just want to say though that we have done nothing good but give thanks to the Lord always, for without His grace and mercy, we're nothing.
I built some bond. I built some very tight bond with some of my farmers, and I know their investment as well. Their investment was going through my head as well, because I even have a farmer up in Catskin. He just put in, just before the storm, he's supposed to start reap just before the storm, like a month or two. He put in 25 acres of papaya. And I know that all this papaya will get damaged. And I said, damn, I don't know what he's feeling, even though I'm feeling that awful. My roof went, my farm went, everything went. It was so devastating, man.
This season has been a devastating one for many persons. And as such, while this should be a jolly season for most, it is a sad one.
The farmers of Jamaica, they are some of the, I'd say, most important of our stakeholders. They also happen to be some of the most resilient individuals that you will meet. Post Melissa, we are aware that the farmers are hurting. They have lost, multiple crops. They are actually restarting at a time in December when traditionally they would be reaping and preparing for Christmas. I'm saying to them, you're resilient. You will bounce back. You will grow. You will be productive.
While this year has brought us unexpected challenges, Christmas reminds us of hope, resilience, and caring for one another. Our thoughts are with everyone affected by the recent hurricane.
And I just want you to know that amidst the challenges that we have experienced because of Hurricane Melissa, I want you to know that you are not alone.
When you hear about stories of assistance that neighbors gave, in some cases to persons who they really didn't even know, we are capable, we are able, we will rebuild stronger.
However, this should be the season of Thanksgiving. So what I would like is for everyone to not focus on what you've lost, but rather take a time out to focus and appreciate the things that we do have in this season. And maybe that might just add a little sparkle to the season. Have yourself a Merry Christmas, and I'm trusting God that next year will be a very prosperous one.
I wish for my farmers and the farming community a prosperous, productive, and a peaceful rest of the season. But moreover, as we launch into 2026, I look forward to our continued relationship, productivity, and growth.
For the wider Jamaica, it is my wish that we remain focused, be there for one another, helpful, full of love, and to build Jamaica stronger than before.
And we at Caribbean Chemicals are committed to you every step of the way. Thank you, stay safe, and have a Merry, Merry Christmas.